Welcome back to my channel. For those new subscribers, welcome on board. If you've been with me from the beginning, thank you for sticking around. And if you haven't yet subscribed, do so and join the team. Look forward to sharing lots of reviews with you. And without further ado, today's review is on the Sydney Ari wig by Main Concept. The code for this wig is BSD2601. Sydney Ari. Part of the brown sugar collection, so it's actually human hair blend. It's part of the collection, the side to side part, which means that if I remember rightly, it has no ear tabs, which means that you can wear the part left, center, right, or anywhere in between. So it's quite flexible as a wig. While we're here, you can see that it has 3 combs, 1, 2, and 1 at the back. It also has your adjustable straps, and can you see that? Baby hairs, which means that you should be able to put it up. There aren't any baby hairs at the front, but in true Main Concept style, I have some slightly shorter hair here, which acts as a fringe or as long baby hairs. It does actually help with the blending and make the wig generally look more natural. The colour I have is the SR1B30, which roots are slightly darker, but it quickly goes into a very beautiful and gorgeous ombre. And this parting is gorgeous and deep, doesn't need any plucking, but obviously if you want to, you can. Let's test for shedding. I only got a couple of strands, so that's always really positive. Just while I was stroking the hair, I got the impression that it was nice and thick and luscious. It doesn't feel like it's too dense, but it's nice and human-like. It is a silky texture, so Caucasians will like the texture of this hair. All that's left to do is to see whether it fits my big head. Let's do it. Look at that part. Obviously I've got my wig cap underneath and you can see that where the colour changes, but whoa, that, I haven't done anything to it. It's a really good parting space. So this is the wig with the parting in the centre, and it's way long. It's coming right down to my waist. I didn't think that the wig was this long. Now, I'm not very much a centre part fan, so I'm going to tip it to the side. Oops, that's a bit of a weird place for that extra long bit. I would have thought that would have been a bit more to the side. I want to show you how useful these slightly shorter strands can be. This is a look at the hairline up close. Now if you're like me and you don't like to have your hair dead back off your face, what you can then start to do is, because you have slightly shorter hairs, you can just start to pull them out. That's it. All these wispy bits give me a more carefree look. If I really wanted to gel my edges to give me a smooth texture, and then I would be complete. So there you have it. This texture is nice. As I said, it is a human hair mix. And just running my fingers through, I'm not really getting any tangling, so that's good because it's a very long wig. It's thick, it's not thin. Let me give you a 360 spin. There is lots of room in this cap It is not at all snug, so it's definitely big head friendly as wigs go. Well constructed, wouldn't expect any less from Main Concept. Nice colour, beautiful tie-ins, simple and elegant. If you've been watching, do apply the discount code that appeared on your screen to get money off this wig when it's purchased from wigit.co.uk, and I look forward to seeing you at my next review.